Taking investors for a ride with a false promise of lucrative returns is the main agenda of all investment scams. It is the biggest nightmare in India. The problem is huge, but the awareness is scratching the surface. This video will showcase one of the investment scams, mega fraud of rupees 6,000 crores, which was detected in the state of Tamil Nadu. We will also focus on the common mistakes by investors that lead to the trap and how to escape from this trap. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. First, let us look at the story behind the LNS IFS Vellore scam. A Vellore-based company, LNS International Financial Services, has branches in more than 50 places in the northern districts of Tamil Nadu and in main cities such as Mumbai, Delhi and Chennai. It has more than 1 lakh investors and has collected nearly 6,000 crores as deposits. Imagine how many people would have been assigned for bringing a deposit of rupees 6,000 crores. But what made LNS IFS so attractive to the public that made them into invest 6,000 crores in a fraudulent company? The company promised to give 8% profit per month on an investment of rupees 1 lakh. Yes, the people believed it. LNS IFS was offering an interest of rupees 8,000 per month for rupees 1 lakh. The people also got the promised return for some time, which created a sense of belief that helped the company lure more and more customers. The agents would convince the investor that Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan, one of the promoters, was an expert in the stock market and would reap returns using his brilliance. Now let's look at the aftermath of LNS IFS scam Vellore. The Madras High Court intervened in the matter after one investor, Mr. P. Karthik, complained that he was cheated by the company. Last year, that is in the year 2022, the Economic Offence Wing Police booked cases under various sections of Tamil Nadu Protection of Interest of Depositors Act 1997 and Banning of Unregulated Deposit Scheme Act 2019. Let us look at the investment frauds in India in general. Investment scams promise a high rate of return with little or no risk. The hallmark of a successful Ponzi scheme is that early investors will receive their payouts as promised. These schemes generate returns for earlier investors with money taken from later investors. It will eventually bottom out when the flood of new investors dries up. Once the promoters run out of money, this is when the investment scheme is revealed as a scam. But what is the difference between a Ponzi scheme and a pyramid scheme? Both frauds have a similar trait, that investors getting fooled by the promise of extraordinary returns. The Ponzi scheme is named after Charles Ponzi, who conned people into his scheme by paying returns for earlier investors with money taken from later investors. There is a slight difference in the pyramid scheme. The investors are recruited on the condition that they should bring someone new to the table. The structure is such that only a few at the top of the pyramid hold all the money and others would lose out unless they bring someone new. Now let us focus on how to spot an investment scam or a Ponzi scheme. How do investors fall prey to this? Identifying an investment scam is not a rocket science. The following are the key elements of pyramid scheme and investment scams. High and consistent return, not revealing the basic info, rushing the investor. First one, high and consistent return. These investments offer huge and immediate returns for little or no risk. They offer consistent cash flow regardless of market conditions. If somebody offers you something that sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Everyone wants to be a successful investor. One might believe that high return products can only make them as a successful investor. This makes them accept this offer. Number 2, not revealing the basic info. The agent or broker will refuse to provide you the detailed information or how it works in writing. He may say that it is too complicated to understand or you need not worry about these aspects. This is a warning sign. Investors generally believe their neighbors and friends when it comes to investments. They are just copycats and follow blindly without any knowledge about the working of the scheme. Next one, rushing the investor. You may be offered an extra special benefit. This is a surefire way to close the deal on the same day. The agents may repeatedly say that you should act quickly and invest or you will miss out. Small discounts may persuade investors to act quickly. How investors can escape from this trap? Verify the instrument, read the prospectus and other documents, understand the investment. Verify the investment. Check whether the scheme is approved by any regulatory body. If it is an unauthorized scheme, then the answer is a definite no, because unauthorized schemes do not have a proper grievance redressal. Read the prospectus and other documents. Scrutiny the prospectus and other financial statements of the company that you are going to invest in. Get these documents from the sales agent or surf the net. If anything is fishy in the registration or legal formalities, one can avoid the scheme. Understand the investment. Never invest in any product that you do not understand fully. Educate yourself with the basics of financial instruments through online courses or webinars. Do a proper analysis of the scheme and understand the working of the product. Role of a financial planner in preventing investment scams. Suppose you have a problem with your heart. Would you take the advice of a qualified doctor or your neighbor? The same applies while handling money as well. There are certified professional financial planners to find schemes and plans to invest that are reliable. We have come to the end part. Bottom line, the only free cheese is in the mousetrap. You may receive calls or message repeatedly to invest in their schemes. Do not close the investment deal over a phone call. Never take investment advice from anyone other than professionals. Take time, do your own research and analyze the scheme before investing. There are numerous investment products and schemes in the market. Do not fall prey to the free cheese. The onus is on you to make a proper investment decision. If you have any difficulty in choosing investment products, then seek professional advice. A financial planner aid you in becoming a successful investor by picking an appropriate investment product based on your profile. A detailed blog post about this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.